Hey everyone, it's Carla here with Benchmark Realty, your local realtor in Clarksville, Tennessee, and it's with a heavy heart that I have to make this video to let you know, in case you don't already know, that Clarksville over the weekend, this past Saturday, December 9th, 2023, was hit tragically with an F3 tornado. Clarksville, Montgomery County, Middle Tennessee as a whole, and Southern Kentucky. The one that hit Clarksville was primarily in the northern part of Clarksville. So if you're familiar with town, it's the exit 1 area near base, near Fort Campbell Boulevard, Tiny Town Road, Tyler Town Road, Peachers Mill. Again, the exit 1 area as a whole, northern Clarksville. It looks like a war zone, you guys. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Absolute devastation. Many homes damaged and are like approximately, they're saying 250 are complete losses, completely uninhabitable. Several have been injured. Several people have been injured. And we've had 3 confirmed deaths so far, sadly. Of course, many misplaced animals and pets throughout this tragedy. The mayor has issued a state of emergency in our area, and Montgomery County schools have been closed for the rest of the year. We still have thousands without power as of this morning. This is 3 days later at the time of this recording. At least 5,000 people with no electricity due to the tornado. Many people have been asking how they can help, what they can do. We have so many people coming out in droves armies of volunteers coming out in our community, which is amazing. People are dropping off supplies, donations, monetary donations too. So here are a few things that you can do if you're looking to help. I've had people reach out saying, what can I do to help? Here are a few things. This is by no means an exhaustive list, but I did want to get this information out there as a starting point. You can you can look up redcross.org to see how you can donate. If you want to be a volunteer in Montgomery County, call 931-245-2988. Again, if you want to sign up to be a volunteer in Montgomery County for the cleanup, it's 931-245-2988. You can also reach out to and look up YAPAC Outreach, where you can drop off supplies, donations, be a volunteer at their distribution center, and you can also give monetary donations. They are, as of right now, they are in need of plywood, ropes, batteries, flashlights, generators, and propane are the number one things right now, generators and propane at YAPAC Outreach. Also, you can look up Mosaic Church that is located at 1020 Garrettsburg Road, and Life Point Church at 1915 Roseview Road. If you are looking for other ways to contribute and donate, look up Mosaic Church and Life Point Church, you guys. I don't want to make this video overly long, but it is definitely a tragedy in Clarksville, Montgomery County, and Middle Tennessee as a whole. It's a huge loss, but our community will rebuild and we will recover from this. But I just want to make this video in case you were not aware of what's going on here right now, and if you're looking for ways to help. I wanted to get the information out there as soon as I can. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and take care. Stay safe.